and welcome to the third installment of our Sentient Connect training videos. Today, we are going to focus on the calendar feature of the Sentient Connect platform. As you can see, we have logged in and the dashboard is displayed. Please guide your mouse to the calendar hyperlink at the top of the page. This will bring up a month-long view of our calendar. Let us say that you would like to take half of a day off on Monday, April the 13th for a dental appointment. What you would need to do is hover on the date that you would like to take off and click on the button Set Leave. This will bring up a pop-up box that will allow you to choose whether you wish to take a full day or a partial day. In this example, we will be taking a partial day off. The leave time will be between 8 o'clock in the morning, and let's say that we only want to take off until 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So select 1 o'clock p.m. under the Leave End menu. As always, I write a description as to why I am taking off. Dentist appointment, half day. And then you would click the button Save. As you can see, on our menu, it shows a partial leave between 8 o'clock a.m. and 1 o'clock p.m. For that time frame, you will not be called for shifts. Now, let us say that on the 20th of April, you have a full day online course, which makes you unavailable for the entire day. To book that whole day off, all you would need to do is hover on the date that you wish to book off, click Set Leave, choose Full Day, and write a description. Online course, full day, and then click Save. Let us say that on the 20th of April, the online course that you were looking forward to taking has been canceled. All you would need to do is hover on the day that you were supposed to be on leave and click Remove Leave. This tells the system that you are now available to accept shifts on this day. Now, at times, many of our staff are in school or are unavailable because they are volunteering 1 day per week somewhere else. If you are unavailable for 1 day per week and it is the same day, you can easily set your availability to be unavailable on that day. To do so, look for the day of the week that you are not available, click Set Availability just under that day of the week, and go down to No Availability. This tells the system that on Thursdays, every Thursday, you are not available to work. Save, and as you can see, Not Available is displayed on the calendar, not just for April, but for May, June, and onward, indefinitely. If on Fridays you are only available for half of a day because you have a morning course, you can choose to be available for just the afternoons. Look for the day of the week, click Set Availability, and under the Availability menu, select Partial Availability. Let's say that your course is in the morning, but you are available in the afternoon. When you look at the Available From time, I am going to, for example, click on the 12 noon, meaning that at 12 noon, I become available to work, and I can be available until 6 o'clock in the evening. So I'm available from 12 noon until 6 p.m., and you can click Save. If for any reason you would like to remove any of these not available time frames, all you would need to do is go back to the Set Availability under the day of the week that you wish to remove that not available designation and click Full Availability. This tells the system that you are now fully available to work on Thursdays.